what's popping, you guys? Is Bella and Kiana.
And my dog is this way. Turn on the key. It might be scissors, but it's okay.
She said her dog's been acting different, so let's see.
Okay, I'm gonna go and sit on the couch. Be right back.
Girl. Alright, let's go. You guys hear that?
Okay, let's play some cameras. We gotta be quiet because I think her dog's sleeping.
Okay, let's see. Bro. Alright. Okay, turn on the light like a little quietly. What the frick? No. Did you guys just see that? Okay. Well, you guys, we're gonna play some cameras. We're gonna ask our camera. We place the camera in. We're gonna play. Girl. We're gonna try to place the camera in her room. Put TA back in her. Okay, we placed the camera in the kitchen.
I'm gonna go and place the camera in his room.
We're gonna place. Bella! Okay. Bro, that was just so freaking creepy. It's me, don't worry. It's me. You guys, so this is the room we're gonna be sleeping in for the night. Did you place the camera in Virginia's room?
No, I didn't.
Alright, we need to go and place the camera in Virginia's room so we can see what's going on there as well. So
Okay, come on, let's go.
let's go. Girl, where did you go? I'm sorry. No. Alright, so stop yelling. Alright, come on. Let's go place the camera in Virginia's room. Let's go and ask her if we can. She scared me. Let's go and ask if we can place the camera in her room. So let's go. Alright, the bathroom, Virginia's room. Okay. Wait. Bring Virginia.
That crackers wrong, Virginia's.
Come on, bring Virginia. Virginia.
Then the living
Okay, the living room, Virginia room. So this is Virginia's room. We're gonna ask if we can place the camera inside. Virginia, do you mind if we can place?
Let me sleep.
Sure. All right, place the camera and the curtains up there. All right, let me make sure it's set up. All right. So you guys, we're gonna go to sleep. And Bella, when I turn off the lights, I want you to start playing with TA so you can start working. Okay, let's go. All right, we're gonna set up the camera here too, and we're gonna set up the camera in here too. So this is the camera that's gonna be set up in here. All right. So you guys, we're gonna sit you guys right over here, and we're gonna. Go
this is gonna be scary.
All right, let's go.
Dogs to turn the light on.
Yes, on YouTube.
Yeah, I ain't on YouTube.
Pull up the stove.
Okay.
Anyways, about that, I'm sorry.
So we're gonna place the camera right there.
Okay, and we're gonna see what's going on with the dog in the morning. Okay. Bella, I go soon. I want you to start. Okay. Let's go. And then I'm going to put on some black clothes at the end. Like this and get up above her face. And I want to grab the camera. Alright.
Get out. Okay. Okay, good night, you guys.
Okay. Bro. Chester! Bro, I need to get... Bro, what happened?
Something happened. I felt something scratching on my leg.
Where's the freaking dog?
I think it went under the bed, bro.
Alright, I want you to go and check on Virginia. She's in her room.
Okay.
There.
We'll check on her.
I'm putting some black clothes.
Okay. We're finna go to Virginia's room. Okay. This is Virginia's room. Okay. Nothing suspicious so far our car. And we got Virginia's room.
Yeah, because you know what really spot your mom went to get your hair. You don't know about Pops. What is it called? The one by Pops.
Paradise.
Okay, hold on. Sure, it's the one by Pops.
Hey, the camera, Virginia. I'm about to Virginia is going. What the heck is that?
I gotta use the bathroom. Be back.
Right. Bella's
Wait.
Bella's going to use. Bella is going to use the bathroom. Bella is going to use the bathroom. And I'm scared, you guys. So, Virginia. I don't know where the Virginia is or know what that dog was. Whatever that dog was, that dog is possessed. It's too bad to break it, but that dog is possessed. Thank you for going, wife, and luxury, and we'll see you soon.
Yeah, well, she should be cool. You can ask Yanni, like,